thought I'd show the sound samples. This is a 1986 Hamer Chaparral. This is just a little bit of conditioning of it. Candy apple red. These candy apple reds seem to have a lot of checking. This one's got a lot of checking. I just can't see it in the video right there. Anyway, this is a sound sample. That's the bridge. This is bridge split. Neck pickup by itself. Middle pickup by itself. Split bridge and neck, so split and bridge. Up position and bridge is the quacky out of phase. Not my favorite sound. And some distortion. This is the bridge. That was the bridge. This is the neck pickup. Middle pickup. Both of them. Both middle and neck. And then split and neck.